There. Oh, that's cute. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I am here with Aurora from Vintage Weekends. She has a channel, also Vintage Hunting in Italy. Check out her channel. We are here in Milan at MERCATINO, Milano, CENTRALE. I've been here one time before. I will put a link to that video up here and check that out, and let's see what good stuff they have today. What a fun shopping day. 5 of us searched this shop from top to bottom. Besides Aurora and I, there was also Fabiano, her husband, Francesco, my husband, and also my daughter. At the end of the video, you'll see what a couple of us bought today. What's with the weird boxes today? I've not seen a box like this before. Anyone know what this is about? Interesting. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. Shopping with Aurora has inspired me to finally discuss a little bit about fashion, which I normally don't address. You may not know, but my college degree is in fashion design. I studied construction, fabrics, the whole thing, so I have some tips. We need to slow this section down and quickly talk jackets. Jackets are one of the more difficult garments to construct. They require layers of interlining and support and shoulder pads, etc., etc. If one of those elements is out of place or missing, the jacket can look cheap, wavy, lumpy, and you just know something's off. And if the fabric or one of the buttons looks cheap, you can also tell immediately. There are at least 9 or 10 designer level jackets here altogether, from 50 to 150 euros each. That's quite a few. And you need to know what a bargain that is. If you like jackets, wear jackets, and you find a score of top quality designer jackets like this, grab them and run to the cashier. Almost all of these are Italian brands, so if you're visiting, these brands should be on your shopping list. Keep in mind that the top brand in a designer's collection will be the one made with the best quality fabrics. For example, Armani Collezioni is a higher level collection than Emporio Armani, etc. Make sure to flip a jacket inside out, check the lining quality, how they finish the seams, the pockets, and yes, the buttonholes. Make sure the collar lays properly without twisting or sagging. You should expect the best finishing on designer jackets, just the best. Remember, things like sleeve length can be altered. Don't pass up a great jacket just for that. If the lining needs replacing, however, that can be a difficult and expensive repair requiring a professional. Oh, that's heavy. 40? This is my second visit to this shop, so let's discuss the recurring good things that you can expect to find here. First, I love that I can always find a good selection of chandeliers at this shop. Every different style, and the prices seem to be reasonable as well. I'm guessing there are about a few hundred chandeliers here. I didn't count. Second, there are a lot of wooden cabinets and dressers and nightstands here, all varied prices, some high, some low. The third thing I noticed shopping here is that there are interesting clocks, wall clocks, mantle clocks. If I was looking for a vintage clock, I would definitely come here. Fourth, the candlestick selection is impressive. I didn't find one today, but I will be keeping this shop in mind for future searches of candlesticks. Fifth, the selection of china and glassware is wonderful, and they're displayed conveniently all on trays. So don't forget, like me, to actually look at the trays because they are good trays. They're just under all the china and glassware. That's also good. And of course, the wonderful vintage clothing shop in shop. Great brands, great jackets.
This is a very interesting shape.
Cute. Let's see the bottom. Cute. 36 for, oh, Janore.
The whole set.
6. Oh yeah. Dangerous. 112. So cute. The texture. Nice. I think the world is hiding here. $249. What a beautiful shape this is. Let's see. Nice. Nice, cute handles. Ay. Adorable. Oh, that's heavy. There are so many individual items in this shop. It takes a while to take it all in. Give yourself some time to relax and just wander around here. When you subscribe and turn on the bell notification, you'll be alerted when new videos are published, which is about every week and a half.
interesting for cocktails.
For
Put ice in the bottom.
shrimp cocktail.
Yeah, shrimp cocktail.
We can find some treasures.
Yes.
You know that we can.
Cute. Cute. Come on.
What are you?
Really. Nice lamp.
Oldsmobile. These are kind of cool. Sono i quadretti delle old cars.
Le stagioni.
Nice.
Ah. E anche i quadretti delle macchinine delle Ford. Vediamo come fanno.
I'm not dressed appropriately.
Right. Let's see the other one.
Don't take my face.
I'm not taking your face.
Only
It's
the-
okay. Only the ships. More ships, more art. That's what we needed. We needed more art and more ships because we don't have any at all in our
My friend with
apartment.
the car. But it's coming, my new friend. Take it. Wait.
Les gars, get this.
Voila! Wonderful.
We need a car to go
Fantastic.
to the ship. And vice versa.
E viceversa.
And the ship to go.
Thank you so much for shopping with us today. And make sure to check out Aurora's channel, Vintage Weekends, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Ciao.